I'm going to summarize this book called Alchemist. This is a story about a guy named Santiago who is a shepherd. His father is a priest and wants him to be a priest, but he has other plans. He wants to travel the world. Why? Because he is having recurring dreams of finding a treasure. He is having dreams that there is a treasure that he has to find, and that can be only done if he travels the world. So he requests his father and asks for money to travel. His father gives him some money. First, he meets a king who encourages him to go for the treasure. Then, he also meets a fortune teller. She tells him that the dreams he is getting are real and he should really go for it. Along the way, he finds a man who steals his money. Money he got from selling all his sheep. That was the betrayal he got. But he didn't lose hope. Despite the betrayal, he continues his journey. He starts working with a crystal merchant who helps him gather all the money, and he leaves the job finally when he collects enough money to continue the journey. On the way to the desert of Oasis, he meets a girl named Fatima. He is in love with her. He wants to leave all the plan for her, but because she loves him, she encourages him to pursue his dreams and tells him that she will wait for him. There we understand the value of having a right partner. He continues his journey and meets an Englishman who tells him the concept of alchemy. He tells him to follow his heart and see the patterns of the universe and listen to the rhythms of the universe and follow life through intuition. The story concludes with Santiago realizing that the true treasures were the knowledge he gathered along with the journey. And finally, he also gets the real treasure, that is back in the place where he started the journey. He marries Fatima and lives happily ever after. That was the story of The Alchemist. It's a philosophical book. I would recommend this book. In tough times, you will understand the value of why some things need to happen in your life, because they are going to teach you some lessons that you really learn for growing in your life, for evolving, and for understanding the value of the journey.